Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Alan with OffGrid.Technology coming back with you again today. I apologize. I wanted to do this live. Unfortunately, work and life gets in the way, as I'm sure many of you understand. Unfortunately, I'm not able to do this live, but I didn't want to keep pushing off the giveaway because I want to get these amazing things out to you guys for all the love and support that you've shown me in getting me to where we're at today. If it's not for you guys, I would not be sitting here doing this like I am now. So thank you guys, each and every one of you. I appreciate everybody who watches, likes. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. It looks about 90% of you guys that watch and view don't subscribe. Come on board, give me a chance, subscribe to me. Let's see what we can do over the next year together. And if you're not happy, you're more than welcome to always hit that unsubscribe button. But I do encourage you guys to subscribe, come along this journey with us, and we have some good things coming out. I'll be going to the Belton Ham Fest in April, mid-April. I plan on doing a vlog, a live. Either a live or a non-live vlog. We'll see how everything goes. I don't want to commit to a live one, depending if I can't get network there. But I will be doing a vlog while I'm there. So you will see a vlog from the Belton Ham Fest. I'm going up there to meet some good guys that I've been, in contact with that are part of a radio club here in Austin. In Texas, not necessarily Austin. They're all around Austin here, but where I'm at in Austin is really hard to find a really good radio club. So I plan to go meet some people up there, and it's gonna be a good time. So I encourage you guys to, like I said, subscribe, follow, and yeah, we'll have some fun. Into today's topic. Today is giveaway time, guys. If you saw my post earlier this week or late last week, I did print out the names of everybody who followed the directions, both on YouTube and on Instagram, as far as I could tell. Those will be validated as far as the winners when we pick them here, just to make sure everything was followed to keep it fair. But everybody, I appreciate everybody who followed along, who commented and shared with that, and good luck to you guys. This is going to be some good prizes. As you guys know, we're giving away the Alinco DJ-VX50T. You will not get this one, of course. This one's mine, but you will get a new one that I will have shipped from somewhere like Gigaparts or HRO directly to you. So the winner will get a brand new one. One thing I did want to tell you that I did find out about this is if you have any ICOM radios or if you used ICOM radios, the ICOM HM186LS uses the same pinouts that they use for the Alinco. I believe this is for the ID 51A, but I had a friend of mine who had one, gave it to me to try it out, and sure enough, here's the PTT, here's the radio. It does work. I did, by the way, clear on the radio before the radio started or for the review started. So please, guys, I understand you're supposed to sit there and put out your call sign. Everybody who's a ham, everybody who's GMRS certified knows it. We don't need to be reminded. That being said, it does work. It works really good. Now, this is not waterproof, and you do lose your waterproofing, your IP67 here while this is in, but it's an option for you. I just keep this part with a little tiny screwdriver in a bag, so I can put it back on if need be. I did change the antenna out for this whip. It does get me better than what the stock antenna was, so not the best antenna. I do use signal sticks as well too, but this is just a spare one I had on there. But an amazing radio, guys. To the winner, this is a good one. I think if you've been looking for an IP67 dual band rated radio, you will not be disappointed with this radio. In addition, we are also giving away the RTL-SDRs. So I have two of these here. So we'll have three winners today. Here's the other RTL-SDR. These will be shipped directly to the winners from myself. So you'll get these directly from me. All right, guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the wheel of names up here. As you can see on the right-hand side, we have the list of names that we had sent out via YouTube and Instagram of all the users who had followed the instructions. So if you followed the instructions on either YouTube or Instagram, you were added here. YouTube users, we will work out a way to be able to verify you and get in touch with you to validate who you are. Instagram, I will reach out to you through Instagram to let you know that you have won and to get your shipping information. The way we're going to do this is we're going to do the two SDR dongles first. So winners 1 and 2 will get each an SDR dongle shipped directly from me. Winner 3 will get the Alinco VTAC, or excuse me, the Alinco DJ-VX50T. That will be shipped directly to you from one of the vendors, either HRO, Gigaparts, or one of those. So you'll get a brand new radio directly through them. So good luck, everybody. And as they say in the Hunger Games, may the odds be ever in your favor. So we're going to go ahead and click here for the first winner. This first winner is going to be an RTL-SDR dongle shipped directly from us here. We're going to let that wheel spin. And RBKESTER son, Rob RB Kesterson. Congratulations, you are a winner of an RTL-SDR dongle, sir. I will be reaching out to you. All right, so that's winner one down. We're going to go ahead and spin for a second winner here. Again, this second winner is going to be for another RTL-SDR dongle. I'm going to press that button. Oh, so close, but it went to Tony. Tony, you are the second winner, sir. You will be receiving an RTL-SDR dongle. Thank you so much. All right, and now for the third and final prize. This is going to be for the Alinco DJ-VX50T shipped directly to you. Good luck, everybody. We're going to go ahead and push this button here for the final spin. Around and round and around she goes. And Bill Bradshaw, congratulations. Bill Bradshaw, you are the winner of the Alinco DJ-VX50T. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much. We'll go ahead and show the results here again. So RB Kesterson, sorry, you will be receiving an RTL-SDR dongle. Tony, you'll be receiving an RTL-SDR dongle. And Bill Bradshaw is the winner of our Alinco DJ-VX50T. Everybody, thank you guys so much for all the support. I'll be reaching out to you guys. Like I said, if it's on Instagram, directly through Instagram. If it's through YouTube, I'll be reaching out to you some way. I'll probably have you get in touch with me through YouTube. So if you're on YouTube and you are one of the winners, please email me at Alan, ALAN, at offgrid, OFFGRID.technology. With your YouTube username, and so that way we can get the discussion started to make sure that we get that right information from you and validate that you are who you are. Guys, this is Alan again from OffGrid Technologies. I just want to thank each and every one of you again. Like I said, if you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. We will be doing more giveaways in the future. So as we grow, the giveaways grow. So let's work together and bring this community a really good, strong channel that we can have to look at reviews and how-tos and so forth. 73 guys, have a wonderful week, and congratulations again to those winners.